Every great cheeseburger begins long before it reaches the factory, with nature providing its finest ingredients. Modern harvesting machines efficiently collect thousands of kilograms of wheat every hour. Freshly harvested wheat is transported to advanced flour mills for processing. High-quality beef begins with healthy cattle, raised under carefully managed conditions.
Fresh milk will later become the delicious cheese that completes every cheeseburger. Fresh lettuce adds crisp texture and natural freshness to the finished burger. Perfectly ripe tomatoes are selected for their rich flavor and vibrant color.
Fresh onions are harvested and prepared for food-grade processing.
Special cucumbers are harvested to create the signature pickles found in every cheeseburger.
Sesame seeds provide the finishing touch for the burger's signature bun. Premium ingredients from trusted suppliers arrive together at one of the world's most advanced cheeseburger factories. With every ingredient safely received and inspected, production is ready to begin. The next stage transforms these raw materials into the components of a perfect cheeseburger. Production begins as premium flour is automatically transferred from storage into high-capacity industrial mixers. Computer-controlled systems measure every ingredient with exceptional precision. Powerful mixers transform the ingredients into smooth, elastic burger dough. Continuous kneading develops the perfect structure for soft, fluffy burger buns. The dough now rests in carefully controlled conditions, allowing natural fermentation to create light texture and rich flavor.
The fermented dough is divided into perfectly equal portions for consistent bun size.
Special forming machines create the classic round shape of every burger bun.
During proofing, the dough expands to achieve its final soft and airy texture.
A precise layer of sesame seeds gives the bun its signature appearance.
Inside giant tunnel ovens, the buns are baked until perfectly golden.
Freshly baked buns are cooled and inspected to ensure every one meets strict quality standards.
The finished buns are carefully sliced and prepared for the next stage, where they will become part of a premium cheeseburger.
Production begins with carefully inspected premium beef, delivered under strict temperature-controlled conditions.
Only carefully selected cuts continue to the next stage, ensuring consistent quality in every burger.
Powerful industrial grinders create the ideal texture for premium burger patties. Computer-controlled systems blend the beef with carefully measured seasonings for consistent flavor.
High-speed forming machines shape every patty to identical size and thickness.
Each patty is automatically weighed to maintain perfect consistency. The patties are flame grilled to develop their signature aroma, texture, and appearance.
After grilling, the patties are rapidly cooled to preserve quality and food safety. Artificial intelligence checks every grilled patty to ensure it meets strict production standards.
Advanced inspection systems provide an additional layer of food safety before assembly. The finished patties are stored under carefully controlled conditions until burger assembly begins. With premium buns and perfectly grilled patties now complete, everything is ready for the next stage, the creation of the ultimate cheeseburger. Fresh milk undergoes advanced pasteurization to create safe, high-quality cheese.
Specialized dairy equipment transforms premium milk into delicious cheddar cheese.
Precision slicing ensures every cheeseburger receives the perfect layer of cheddar.
The factory's signature burger sauce is blended using carefully measured ingredients. Every batch is tested before entering the fully automated burger assembly system.
Fresh lettuce is thoroughly cleaned and gently dried to preserve its crisp texture. Precision cutting creates perfectly uniform tomato slices for every burger.
Fresh onions are cut into uniform rings to deliver balanced flavor and texture. Crisp pickles are sliced to the ideal thickness for every cheeseburger. Every fresh ingredient is organized into dedicated feeding systems for seamless automated assembly.
Artificial intelligence verifies the freshness, color, size, and quality of every ingredient.
With every ingredient prepared to perfection, the factory is now ready to assemble thousands of premium cheeseburgers every hour.
The assembly process begins as robotic systems accurately position every bottom bun.
Computer-controlled dispensers apply the exact amount of signature burger sauce to every bun. Freshly grilled beef patties are positioned with remarkable speed and precision. Premium cheddar cheese is placed directly onto the hot patties, allowing it to melt naturally.
A carefully controlled heating tunnel creates the perfect cheese melt, without overcooking the burger.
Crisp pickle slices are added for their signature tangy flavor. Fresh onion rings provide the perfect balance of flavor and texture.
Fresh tomatoes and crisp lettuce complete the burger's vibrant layers.
Each cheeseburger is gently aligned to ensure a perfect presentation.
The final sesame bun completes the iconic cheeseburger. Artificial intelligence performs the final inspection, verifying every ingredient before packaging. Thousands of perfectly assembled cheeseburgers are now ready for automated packaging and worldwide distribution.
Before packaging, every cheeseburger is automatically aligned. This ensures perfect wrapping accuracy.
High-speed wrapping machines protect every cheeseburger while preserving freshness.
Each package is securely sealed for maximum food safety and quality. Laser systems print complete production information on every package.
Artificial intelligence inspects every package before it continues to final packing.
Robotic systems automatically prepare strong cartons for large-scale distribution.
Finished cheeseburgers are carefully packed into shipping cartons using robotic automation. Every carton is securely sealed before entering warehouse logistics.
Industrial robots organize thousands of cartons onto shipping pallets every hour. Stretch wrapping secures every pallet for safe transportation.
Temperature-controlled storage preserves freshness until shipment begins.
With packaging complete, thousands of premium cheeseburgers are now ready to begin their journey to restaurants around the world. With packaging complete, thousands of premium cheeseburgers are now ready to begin their journey to restaurants around the world.
Advanced logistics software tracks every shipment in real time.
Temperature-controlled transportation preserves quality throughout the delivery journey. Regional distribution centers organize deliveries for restaurants across the country. Fresh deliveries arrive daily to keep every restaurant fully supplied. Inside the restaurant, every cheeseburger is carefully prepared for serving.
Customers can order their meals within seconds using modern digital ordering systems. Every order is carefully assembled to deliver the complete dining experience. After an incredible journey through modern manufacturing, the cheeseburger finally reaches its customer.
Thank you very much.
Every ingredient comes together to create a perfectly balanced premium cheeseburger.
The signature melted cheddar creates the rich texture that makes every bite unforgettable. Millions of cheeseburgers begin their journey. They are made from carefully selected ingredients. Welcome to the world of Mega Factory Universe. Every layer has been engineered for consistency, quality, and exceptional flavor. Every ingredient plays a precise role in creating the perfect cheeseburger. Thousands of robotic movements work together with remarkable precision every hour. Around the clock, production continues to meet global demand.
Artificial intelligence helps maintain consistent quality from start to finish.
An advanced logistics network helps deliver premium products across the world.
From factory floor to restaurant counter, every step follows the same commitment to quality.
The journey is complete when customers enjoy the final product.
Precision manufacturing supports consistent results worthy of professional kitchens.
Behind every cheeseburger stands one of the world's most advanced production facilities. Technology, craftsmanship, and premium ingredients come together in every cheeseburger. Welcome to the world of Mega Factory Universe, where innovation never stops.
Subscribe to explore even more incredible factory documentaries from around the world.
Continue your journey through the world's most incredible factories.
From farm to factory, from innovation to your table, this is the incredible story behind one of the world's favorite foods. Thank you for exploring the Mega Factory Universe.